Today we will discuss about probability current density. Now if PR suppose denotes the probability of finding a particle in space, then the probability of finding the particle in region of space volume V means d tau is equal to dx into dy into dz, bounded by the surface A will be given by P integral V PR square d tau, we can write it as integral V psi star d tau, where d tau is the volume element. Now suppose we differentiate with this equation with respect to t, I can say that dp upon dt will be equal to d upon dt integral V psi star d tau, or integrating by parts I can say that this is equal to integral psi d psi star upon d tau plus d psi upon d tau psi star d tau. Now we know that time dependent Schrodinger equation, this is given by minus h cross square upon 2m del 2 psi plus v psi is equal to IH cross del psi upon del t, and complex conjugate of this equation will be given by minus h cross square upon 2m del 2 psi star v psi star. Now complex conjugate of I will be minus I, so minus IH cross del psi star upon del t. Now multiplying this previous equation by psi star and this equation by psi, and then subtracting these two equations, we will get this equation with minus h cross square upon 2m psi del psi star del 2 psi star plus h square upon 2m psi star del 2 psi is equal to minus IH cross psi del psi star upon del t minus IH cross psi star del psi upon del t. Or on solving this, we get this final equation as psi del psi star del t plus psi star del psi upon del t, this is equal to minus h cross upon 2am psi star del 2 psi minus psi del 2 psi star. Now using this equation, our equation, this will become Schrodinger equation, this will become dp upon dt, this is equal to h cross square upon 2im psi star del psi minus psi del psi minus psi del 2 psi star d tau. Now using Green's theorem, I can say that dp upon dt is equal to minus h cross square upon 2im integral over whole surface psi star del psi minus psi del psi star dot dA. Now let us define a vector SRT such that SRT is equal to h cross upon 2im psi star del psi minus psi del psi star. So this equation will become dp upon dt is equal to minus integral s dot dA, this is equal to minus divergence s, or we can say that dp upon dt plus divergence s, this is equal to 0. And this equation is equivalent to equation of continuity in hydrodynamics, which is del rho upon del t plus divergence j is equal to 0, where rho is the fluid density and j is the current density. The simple interpretation of this equation is that the changes in fluid density can be regarded as due to unbalanced flow of current j across the boundaries. So it is reasonable to vector SRT as a probability current density, so that the equation, this one, dp upon dt plus divergence s, we may interpret that the changes in the probability are due to a flow of probability current. Now we know that momentum operator is given by minus iota h cross del, so I can say that operator minus iota h cross del, velocity will be given by minus iota h cross del upon m or h cross upon im dl. Then it is apparent that SRT is equal to real part of psi star h cross im del psi. Here I can say that this is equal to psi star h cross upon Im gradient of psi. So this is all about probability current density. Now next time we will discuss Ehrenfest theorem. Thank you.